Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching again. In today's video, we're going to be going over double clutching. So in my previous video, I had done had a hill start and a manual transmission car, the different techniques of that, and then the video before was just a basic tutorial on how to drive a manual transmission car. So double clutching. Basically what double clutching is you're going to be pushing the clutch twice in for every shift. So you're gonna, let's say you're in third and you're gonna be going to fourth, you're gonna clutch in, go to neutral, you're gonna clutch in again, and then go into fourth gear. And when you're downshifting, it's gonna be the same thing. Let's say you're in fourth and you wanna go into third. You're gonna clutch in, neutral, you're gonna blip the throttle to rev match, and then you're gonna clutch in again into the lower gear. So it's pressing the clutch twice between each shift. That's what double clutching is. So guys, you're probably asking, like, why would you need to double clutch? You don't necessarily have to nowadays because our transmissions are synchronized. There are synchros in the transmission, so it's not necessary. The only times I would feel in today's world that you would need to, besides driving like a semi-truck, but most drivers just float gears, they clutchless shift when they're already advanced and professionals at driving, they just shift without a clutch. Or driving a super old car that has no synchros or messed up synchros. But yeah, pretty much if your car's trans is shot, the synchros in the transmission are shot, and double clutching just makes it easier to drive the car, where you don't want to, have an expensive repair bill like right away, and you want the transmission to last a little longer. Yeah, you can double clutch. It'll make everything smoother, or in the form of like downshifting, like you might be able to like accelerate quicker when done right, because everything is going to be smooth, and it'll allow the engine and the trans to spin at the same time and make everything fluent. So in that sense, double clutching could be useful as well. But besides that, we really don't have to. It's not a technique that gets taught anymore. But I guess it's nice to know if people are curious, or they're in a situation where they have to. So hopefully this video helps out a little bit. I'll show you the footwork on how to double clutch, upshifting and downshifting. So let's get into it. So guys, I'm gonna do the first couple of shifts slow so you can see the technique, and then I'll start doing it quick in like a real life, real time. So we're in first gear. Okay, we're gonna go to second gear normal. Now I wanna go from second to third, and I wanna double clutch. So we're gonna clutch in, neutral, clutch in again, third gear. That's third gear. We're gonna do it again slow. We're gonna clutch in, neutral, clutch in again, fourth gear. We wanna do it again. Clutch in, neutral, clutch in again, fifth gear. And that is the slow way. That is just, showing you guys how to double clutch. It's 2 clutch kicks between each shift. You're pushing in the clutch twice between each gear you want to go into. So, all right, now you want to do it in real time. So I'm not double clutching here. I'll show you that after. So let's say I want to do it quicker. I want to go from third to fourth. That's fourth. From fourth to fifth. Fifth. And that is like a real-time double clutching. Now, it's super smooth. The car doesn't jerk. It is like a nice feeling, but it is more work and it is more strain on your clutch. Though it doesn't strain the synchros in your transmission as much, it is more wear and tear on the clutch because you are using it more than one time. You're using it twice as much, obviously. So it is going to be more wear and tear on your clutch rather than the transmission. Now, obviously, a clutch is cheaper to replace than a transmission, but in today's day, you really don't need to worry about that because we do have synchronizers in the transmission that help with that. So it's something that you don't really have to worry about. Now, let's do the downshifting portion. All right, guys. So we're gonna do downshifting. So I'm not gonna double clutch upshift anymore. We're gonna focus on the downshifting. You know what? Whatever. I'll do it just for the sake of the video. But fourth again. Fifth. Okay, so now you want to go from fifth to fourth. I'm in fifth gear right now. We're gonna go into fourth. So we're gonna double clutch. So let me do it slow because there's one extra move where you're gonna have to blip the throttle to rev match. So I'm gonna clutch in, neutral, rev, clutch in again in fourth, and it's super smooth. Even though I did it really slow, it is a super smooth downshift. We'll do it one more time. We're gonna go from fourth to third gear. So we're gonna clutch in, neutral, rev match, and third gear. And like I said, guys, it's super smooth. There's no jerkiness, nothing. It's a super smooth downshift. So there's a little bit of traffic coming up, unfortunately. So I will show you more in a real time, like trying to do it quickly, so that we can learn how to do that as well. All right, guys, traffic doesn't help, obviously, in this situation, but it's a Saturday afternoon. People are doing their thing. So I'll just double clutch for the rest of the video just to stay true to what we're doing here. So, all right, we'll double clutch the whole video. I'll show you how to quickly real-time downshift now. So, like I said, this whole video, we're just going to double clutch now. So we're in 5th gear, guys. So we want to go into 4th gear. We're going to do it in real time. That's 4th gear. Want to go into 3rd gear? 3rd gear. Want to go in even into 2nd gear? And 2nd gear. 3rd gear. 4th gear. 5th gear. Want to go back into 4th? 3rd, back into 4th. It is a workout if you're going to double clutch. You know, like I said, you are pushing in the clutch more than once, you're doing it 2 times, and it is going to be a workout doing it, but it will make your upshifts and downshifts a lot cleaner, which I guess in part is good, but you know, it is what it is. We don't really have to do it, but just for the sake of the video, I'll just keep doing it just so that you guys can continue to see the full work. So once again, we're in 5th, we're going into 4th, 4th into 3rd, 3rd to 4th, 4th to 5th, want to go back into 4th, very smooth, into 3rd, back into 4th. I mean, it is super smooth. It will tire your leg out a little bit, unfortunately, but it is a very smooth upshift and a very smooth downshift. Now, once again, you don't have to do this. This is just like learning like how to do it and the technique involved in doing it. Now, you want to be super, super careful. The reason why is, especially in a downshift, you don't want to grind gears. That is the most important thing. You don't want to grind the gears in your transmission if you're not used to doing it. It is going to take a little bit to get used to, and that's normal. But if you notice that you're having a problem doing it, like, I would just stop, because you know you're going to keep grinding and grinding, and then you can mess up a synchro or something in that situation. So practice on doing it slow first. Slow is going to be your friend when you're learning how to double clutch. And then as you get more used to it and you get more used to the feeling of how to do it and the technique of double clutching, then you'll be able to play a little bit more and be able to do it quicker back and forth. But for the time being, do it slow and then start challenging yourself to do it a little faster, a little, you know, it'll get better. So guys, that's double clutching. You don't have to do it. Once again, we have synchronized cars. There are synchros in our transmission that allow us not to have to do that, but there are situations where you can use it in. So hopefully this helps you guys out just a little bit. The technique, it is fun. Obviously, if you've watched the Fast and the Furious, Vin Diesel, Dominic Toretto, you know, says the whole granny shifting, not double clutching like you should. So if you want to be that cool kid that knows how to do it, you can show your friends that you know how to do it. That is awesome. Guys, practice, practice, practice. It'll get better, and driving a manual will become so easy. It's going to be like riding a bike or swimming. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. And yeah, there's going to be more videos to come out. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, the channel is doing pretty well for the size that it's at, so I'm super happy, and it makes me more motivated to make videos out, to buy more mods for my cars, to be able to install it for you guys. So if there's any video recommendations that you guys want from one of my 2 cars, please let me know. If there are any other like techniques that you guys know while driving manual, let me know. I can make a video about it. But I will be making one more manual transmission technique on the different ways that you can downshift, so stay tuned for that. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Please like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.